Hi guys, we all love sweets, especially during festive season. So today I'm gonna make easy and healthy dry fruit laddus. These will be without any added sugar and are great dessert for winters as well. You can even make them in batches and store it. So let's quickly go and shop first. I'm back from shopping from Bulk Barn. I spent approximately $13 after using all the discounts I mentioned in the previous Bulk Barn video. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll mention the link here. Do check that out for all the discounts. And now I'll quickly show you what I've got from there. Now coming to the ingredients, starting with the dry nuts, I have taken half cup of roasted almonds, 1/4 cup roasted cashew, 1/4 cup roasted pistachio, 1/4 cup roasted pumpkin seeds, and 1 tablespoon flax seeds. All of these are just roasted, not salted. These are unsalted, so just get unsalted from the market. And for the wet nuts, I have taken almost 1 cup of dates, 1/4 cup apricot, 1/4 cup cranberry. You can skip cranberry if you don't have it, and 1/4 cup raisins and some cardamom powder. Now I will grind all the nuts one by one, and don't finely grind it. Keep it a little big so that when you have it, you can get that crunch and it tastes so good. I'll start with almonds. Now I'm grinding all the remaining nuts together: cashew, pistachio, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. Now I will grind the wet nuts, which are dates, raisins, apricot, and cranberry. You can skip cranberry and increase raisins if you don't have it. And this should be grinded nicely and make it a paste, because this will help in binding the laddu. Now nicely mix all the crushed nuts together. It took me almost 2 minutes to do this. Now the fun part. I'll start rolling my laddus, and I have taken the crushed nut on side and just coat the laddus with that. This was so much fun. It was easy and quick, and you don't need to cook anything. Just mix all your good ingredients and your laddus are ready. This festive season, you can have your laddus guilt-free. So let's try it quickly. Look at this beauty. This is heaven. Trust me, this is so healthy and easy to make. You have to try this. Wishing you all a happy Diwali. Stay safe and stay healthy.